The rainy season has started and life is back again behind this seasonal stream here. Today I'm here to have a closer look at Prinias, finches, Cisticolas and other birds that feed on grass seeds. So join me as I walk and see these birds. You can hear some of the birds calling there. Let's have a closer look at it. You can hear the Tawny-flanked Prinia. That's right over there. The Tawny-flanked Prinia is a slender, tiny bird and straight on its back. Very distinctive call. Here is the Tawny-flanked Prinia on the marshes. You can see there, very clear, beautiful bird over there. They are being blown by wind. Let me go and have a look at the stream down there. You can see the seasonal river is now flooded with water and the two ducks you can see there. This pair of African black duck is enjoying the flow of the water, as you can see there. Baglafetcht weavers are some of the birds that can be seen close to this river. You can see there, getting a very nice Baglafetcht weaver. This is the male over there. Very brilliant bird. It's preening over there. An immature cinnamon-chested bee-eater. Waiting to be fed by its parents over there. Hadada Ibis. Remember, silence is golden. Tawny-flanked Prinia over there. One, the Tawny-flanked Prinia over there, preening. These are some of the birds that can be seen closer to the stream. As the long rains start, you always see these birds on the marshes. It's such a pretty, beautiful tiny bird over there. The Abbysinian Thrush is also one of them, closer to the stream, as you can see there. It's basking in the sun with its very beautiful orange bill over there. Thrush is back again. Beautiful orange bill. It's a pair there. To conserve birds and their habitats, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.